In recent market developments, the expectation of a potential interest rate cut, coupled with a stable rupee on the back of increased remittances, propelled the benchmark KSE 100 index to reach an all-time high. Optimism surrounding a decrease in CPI inflation for the current month, along with anticipated positive talks with the IMF next week, spurred aggressive value hunting in the market during the outgoing week. According to Arif Habib Ltd, market sentiment remained strong throughout the week, leading to the index closing at an unprecedented level of 73,085.50 points. The arrival of Saudi investors to discuss investment prospects also boosted market momentum. On the economic front, headline inflation stood at 17.3% in April. Analysts predict a further slowdown to 13 to 15% in May, potentially paving the way for a cut in the SPP's policy rate from the current 22%. Additionally, remittances surged by 27.99% year-on-year to $2.81 billion in April, with the country receiving $23.85 billion during the first 10 months of FY24. Marking a 3.5% increase from last year. SPP reserves also saw an increase by $1.1 billion to $9.1 billion in the week ending 3rd May, reflecting the disbursement of the final tranche under the standby arrangement with the IMF. The rupee maintained a steady outlook, gaining marginally against the greenback week-on-week. Consequently, the benchmark index soared by 1,183 points to reach an all-time high. Sector-wise positive contributions came from pharmaceuticals, power, technology, leather and tanneries, and cable and electrical goods. Conversely, negative contributions were observed from E&P and OMCs. In terms of scrip-wise performance, positive contributions were noted from Dawood Hercules, Service Industries Ltd, Code Adu Power, GlaxoSmithKline Pakistan Ltd, and Hainon Laboratories Ltd, while negative contributions came from Engro Fertilizers, Oil and Gas Development Company Ltd, Mizan Bank Ltd, Mari Petroleum Ltd, and Pakistan Petroleum Limited. Foreign buying persisted during the week, primarily in fertilizer and cement sectors, while local selling was reported by other organizations, followed by brokers. Looking ahead, AHL anticipates continued positive market sentiment in the upcoming week, with investors closely monitoring developments related to a new IMF program, investments from Saudi Arabia and Qatar, and the upcoming budget for 2024-25.